Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to draw this spectacular 3D heart. So I encourage you to watch the whole video and leave me your comments when you finish. Well, let's get started. The first thing we'll do is with a semi-fine black marker make a heart. The idea is that both sides are as similar as possible. Then with a graphite pencil, we're going to make the same heart, but a little higher up. Now with a thicker graphite pencil, we're going to give volume to our entire drawing. We do it carefully so as not to go outside the line we had already drawn. Now we do it with the lower part, and as we move forward, we give more and more intensity to our drawing. Now with a brush, we are going to spread the charcoal so that the mixture is a little more homogeneous and produces the effect that we are looking for in our drawing. Now we will make the shadow on our heart. Now with an eraser, we are going to intensify the light in our drawing. We take a ruler, and we are going to make these horizontal lines. We do it carefully so as not to go over the inside of our drawing, so little by little we advance until we reach the top part. Now we take some scissors and we are going to cut all the excess outline in our drawing. Now we are here and we are going to cut all the outline of the top part of our heart. We do it carefully so as not to ruin our drawing. We get here and cut upwards. Now to cut the bottom part, we are going to take the cutter and we are going to turn the blade to cut the whole inside of the heart. We do it with the other side as well. Excellent, very good. Now with the scissors, we are going to make a more inclined cut. And as you can see, our heart is completely finished. Here we can see the effect that we just made with our drawing. It is very impressive to see how a drawing can take on this effect in 3D. Well guys, I hope that the video has been very useful to you, and if you liked it, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. See you in a next video. Bye.